Good afternoon. I'm in the kitchen again. I'm going to make some spaghetti sauce. I've got some steamed rice cooking and I've got some pinto beans cooking, and you'll see how I got those together in just a little bit. So let's start with the spaghetti sauce. I'm not really making spaghetti today particularly, but I like to have this sauce to put on my rice or put a little on my beans, whatever. Covers me for a few days of cooking. Yeah, that's a good thing. So here we go. I've got 3 pounds of hamburger. No, I'm sorry, 1.5 pounds. And I'm going to put that in the frying pan. There we go. I use a 7% fat only hamburger. This is fantastic. Let me get some cookie towels over here. I'm going to fry this up. And by the way, real Sicilian Italians don't cook their spaghetti sauce all day long. They make it quick and they sit down and eat. So, I'm going to put in my onions and my green onions. White onions and green onions, I should say. Fold it in. There it is. Fold that in. I'm on my biggest burner, but I have it on low right now. Let it cook a little bit. As you know, I love garlic sauce. So I'm going to shake it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go up and down. 5. Not down. Some pepper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I want more garlic sauce, I can add it when I'm eating. If I want more pepper, I can add it when I'm eating. Then fire up a little bit, because as you know, I like to make fast food. Let that cook up a little bit. I also like to add a little bit of soy sauce. This is less sodium. Shake it a few times. Not much. Oh, and then I'll get my Italian seasoning. I'm right here. I haven't gone away. I saved my garlic salt containers, clean them out, and then I buy the packs of either my menudo mix, which you know about, or my Italian seasoning. I guess I put about 12 shakes in there. I use the clear package seasoning that are located most of the time in the, well, I call it the Mexican section. Latin food section, whatever. fire up on a pretty good medium right now. This is what it's looking like so far. Now for the past month or so, my husband's been buying the big cans of pinto beans. And I'll eat them sometimes after I rinse them very, very well and get a lot of the salt off of them. But they're okay in a pinch. But I miss my homemade ones. And since the weekend is coming up on me, I never know if I'm going to have last minute company. And as you know, my relatives, well, my brother and my younger sister, Debbie, they've got about at least an hour and 10-minute drive over here, so I like to have a hot meal ready for them when they get here. And this makes it a lot easier. And even though I've got to add tomato sauce to this, if I decide to make tacos when they come, I'll use this hamburger mix, spaghetti sauce, for lack of a better description. I'll use that in my tacos, no problem. This is browning up pretty good, and it's almost ready to throw in my crushed tomatoes. Now I told you crushed tomatoes have only 2 grams of sugars. If you buy the paste or the sauce, you're going to get 4, maybe more sugars. Okay, so now I'm going to add my crushed tomato. I'm going to use 2 cans. I'll probably finish off what I have left of my last batch today. I'm going to add just a tad of water. Just a little bit on the bottom, just to clean out the can. Don't want to leave any of that good stuff in there. My hubby likes a little thicker sauce, so this will be just about right. Now, you know, tomato sauce, tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, whatever, they can be a little acidic. So I don't want to have that acidic taste. So I use stevia. You can buy it in little packs also. Can you see that? And that is our sugar. Comes in a little flipper. Going to put 1, 2, 3. Turn down my fire in the middle, you know, the largest burner. I'm going to turn it down low. Let this simmer for a bit. So while I was putting my makeup on, my steamed rice got cooked. And I only put water in the steamed rice. I don't put any salt or any spices. My beans were cooking, still cooking. And I would say the beans usually take about 3 hours. I put it on the lowest flame once it starts boiling, and I added some more water, so the water's right almost at the very top of the, let me see if I can, nah, I can't get that too close. I added water after I put my makeup on, so it's at the top of the pan. Put it back on the smallest low flame, and I'll just let it cook. Right now, believe it or not, they're almost done. Now they say the easiest way to make sure the beans are really done is if they crack in the middle or start to do that. Like I say, they're practically done. Just a little al dente, but they'll be done in pretty quick. All right, so I'm going to stir up my spaghetti sauce. Did I tell you that pinto beans and brown rice makes a total protein? Yes, it does. So no matter how poor you are, if you don't have meat, you can get it from brown rice and pinto beans. I learned that from Mary Lou Henner when I bought her book. I'm going to stand here a minute with the flame on. Bring the sauce to just a little bit of a boil here, because technically it's already done. But once it starts to get even hotter and bubbling, I'll turn the fire off and let it sit, and it'll still be cooking. So there it goes. It just started bubbling around the ends. That's all I want. I'm going to turn the fire off and cover it up. So now I've got my spaghetti sauce ready for however way I want to put it. If I just want to put it on my rice, which is what I'm going to do today, have a little beans on the side. Use it for real spaghetti, maybe, if there's any sauce left later on, another day. Or put it in a taco mix. Let me get my Parmesan cheese. My sister-in-law gave me this Parmesan cheese a couple of days ago, and I thought, oh wow, I've never bought it like this. I usually use this out of the, the little container that you shake. It's all the same to me. And 1 tablespoon is, this has 28 servings, and 1 tablespoon is 5 grams, I guess, 20 calories. No sugar. So I'll be putting on that after I get ready to eat. And there you have it, girls. I'd sit down and eat with my mom, but she's not up yet. So I'm going to go get her ready. And my sister's coming over about 3. And we'll enjoy our lunch meal. So, glad you stopped by. Been thinking about you, especially during the holidays when I know a lot of people are going to be alone, are going to be lonely. My heart is with you, and the Lord is always with you. So until I see you again, take care, be blessed. Love you guys. Bye-bye. And I only add salt to my beans. I use sea salt. And of course you flavor to your taste.